Heart to Art, a reading and art summer program with Miss Maura, a partnership with the Field Library. Friends from the Field Library, I hope you enjoy making this craft today. If you missed the story on Monday, go back, watch that video first, and then come back and make the craft. All right, have fun. Today, we will be making a painted tissue paper tree. These are the supplies you will need to create your painted tissue paper tree. You will need any type of recycled material that you can paint on. So I used a frozen pizza box and I cut it open and used the inside of it to create a square. You will need some paint. I chose the color blue for the sky. You'll need something to paint with. Need a pair of scissors. Make sure you ask an adult before you use scissors. You will need some glue. You will need some colored tissue paper. These are the steps to create your painted tissue paper tree. You are going to cut a few pieces of tissue paper into small squares. We will use these for the leaves. Then you are going to paint your square. We chose the color blue for the sky. We wanted our background to look like the night sky, so to do this, you put the paintbrush into some gold paint and then you flick it downwards onto the paper. And you are going to use another piece of the box and you are going to cut out a tree shape. Once you cut it out, you are going to glue it to your background. All trees look different, so you can't be wrong, and it does not have to be perfect. Then you are going to take the small pieces of tissue paper and you're going to dip them into glue and then put them onto the tree. They're going to be the leaves, and you can use whatever color you want. You can make as many leaves as you want. There could be a lot of leaves or there could be a few leaves. You guys did a great job creating your painted tissue paper tree. I hope you all enjoyed our stories and crafts over the past 6 weeks. I hope you guys have a good rest of your summer.